Have you ever felt like your paycheck disappears faster than you expected? You work hard, make smart choices, and yet, your wallet still feels empty. What if I told you there are invisible habits slowly draining your money, and most people don't even notice them? In today's video, we're diving into 10 hidden financial traps that may be costing you more than you think. These tips are based on timeless money principles that have helped some of the most successful people build wealth. Not by earning more, but by keeping more. One of those people is Warren Buffett. He's known for saying, the first rule is not to lose money. That's exactly what we're going to focus on. Protecting what you have and putting your cash to better use. Stick around until the end because the final trap we'll uncover is often the most overlooked. It could change the way you think about your money for good. Let's get into the first money-draining habit. 1. Buying in bulk when it doesn't make sense. We've all seen those giant packages at the store that seem like a great deal. Big bags, low prices, it feels like you're saving. But here's the truth. If you're tossing half of it out later, you're not saving. You're wasting. Food waste is a big issue. In fact, around 1/3 of the food people buy ends up in the trash. That's your hard-earned money, gone. Instead of loading up your cart with oversized groceries, pause for a moment. Will you really finish that jumbo bag of spinach before it turns to mush? If not, consider a smaller portion or freeze what you can't use right away. Buying in bulk only works when it fits your actual needs. Think pantry staples like rice, oats, or canned goods. With perishable items, meal planning is your best friend. This shift not only saves money, it gives you more control over your spending and helps you avoid frustration when spoiled food ends up in the garbage. 2. Impulse shopping. You step into a store for one item and walk out with 5. Sound familiar? That's impulse buying at work. It's sneaky and very common. Stores are designed to get you to spend. From lighting to smells to clever product placement, it's all meant to pull you in emotionally. But what seems like a small purchase here and there quickly adds up. Maybe it's a new mug, a cute notebook, or a snack you didn't plan to get. These little extras can eat up 20% or more of your monthly spending without you even noticing. Here's how to stop it. Start with a shopping list. Stick to it. Eat before you shop, because hunger and decision-making don't mix well. And if something catches your eye, ask yourself, do I actually need this right now? This small moment of reflection can save you hundreds over the long run. The real reward? That feeling of control and purpose with every dollar you choose not to spend. Now let me ask you, how do you stop yourself from impulse shopping? Share your best tip in the comments. You never know who you might help. 3. Subscriptions you forgot about. How many services are silently charging your card each month? A streaming platform you no longer use. An app you downloaded for a free trial but never canceled. These small charges might not feel like a big deal, but added together, they can quietly drain your bank account. The problem isn't just the money. It's the lack of awareness. Take 10 minutes to check your statements. Go through your subscriptions and cancel anything you don't actively use. Better yet, use a budgeting app that highlights recurring charges so you can stay in control moving forward. Every subscription you cancel is like giving yourself a raise without doing more work. 4. Paying only the minimum on credit cards. Credit cards can be helpful, but only if used the right way. If you're only making the minimum payment, you're not really paying off your balance. You're just feeding the interest. Let's be honest. Credit card companies want you to carry a balance. That's how they make money. But for you, it's a trap that grows quietly in the background. Even if it feels hard right now, try to pay more than the minimum. Start small, add extra when you can, and build momentum. The faster you tackle your balance, the less interest you'll pay, and the more money you'll keep in your pocket. 5. Ignoring small fees. It's easy to overlook small fees. A $2 ATM fee here. A $10 overdraft fee there. But over time, these charges can add up to hundreds of dollars each year. Banks and companies count on you not noticing. That's why it's important to stay alert. Use in-network ATMs, set up low balance alerts, and review your bank statements regularly. You worked hard for your money. Don't let it slip away over things that can be avoided with just a little attention. 6. Delaying repairs. That small leak in the sink. The blinking light on your dashboard. The broken seal on your fridge. These might seem minor, but waiting to fix them can lead to bigger, more expensive problems later. Think of maintenance as protection. Whether it's your car, home, or appliances, fixing issues early saves you from costly replacements or emergencies. Instead of putting it off, set aside a small monthly amount for home or car upkeep. It's not exciting, but it's smart. 7. Buying for image instead of value. Sometimes, we buy things to impress others rather than serve our actual needs. It might be a new phone, designer bag, or the latest gadget, because it looks like success. But real wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about building a life where your money works for you. Before making a big purchase, ask yourself, is this helping my life, or just feeding my ego? You deserve nice things, of course, but choose them because they add value, not because they fill a moment of insecurity. 8. Dining out too often. We all love convenience. Ordering food saves time, and going out feels like a treat. But if eating out becomes a habit instead of an occasional joy, your budget takes the hit. That $12 lunch or $6 coffee adds up fast. What seems small today can grow into thousands over the year. You don't need to stop completely. Just be more intentional. Cook simple meals at home, prep lunches ahead, and save dining out for special occasions. When you treat it as a choice, not a default, you enjoy it more and save more. 9. Not having a spending plan. Many people think budgeting is limiting. But the truth is, having a clear plan for your money is freeing. It gives you peace of mind, reduces stress, and puts you in control. When you don't track your income and expenses, money slips away without explanation. But when every dollar has a purpose, you'll feel empowered. Start simple. Write down what's coming in, what must be paid, and what's left. Use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or an app, whatever fits your style. Your future self will thank you. 10. Postponing financial education. This is the trap that quietly holds people back for years. Waiting to learn about money because it feels confusing, boring, or overwhelming. But the truth is, financial knowledge is power. And you don't need a finance degree. You just need curiosity and a few minutes a day. Read books, watch videos, follow creators who simplify money topics. The more you understand, the better your decisions become. Don't wait until there's a problem to learn. Start now, and let knowledge become one of your strongest financial tools. These 10 traps aren't obvious. That's why they're dangerous. But once you know about them, you can start to shift. Every small change you make today leads to more confidence, less stress, and a future that feels lighter. The goal isn't to cut joy from your life. It's to make sure your money supports the life you actually want. Which of these traps surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. And if you're ready to take control of your finances, make sure to subscribe for more simple, powerful money tips here on Profitability Plus. See you in the next video.